Hello friends, my name is Jaisha. I am here to present project of hotel aggregator analysis. Software used for this project is Tableau Public 2023. Starting with the project overview, this internship project aim to analyze a dataset of hotel aggregator listing using Tableau software. The dataset comprises various attributes related to listing hosts, reviews, and availability. The objective is to create comprehensive visualization and insights that shed light on trends, patterns, and factors influencing the performance of listing. Through Tableau, interns will explore key metrics such as pricing, availability, host characteristics, and review scores to derive actionable insights for improving the overall quality and competitiveness of the listing. We are going to present 5 project objectives that will cover in this PPT. Starting with the first project objective, that is geographical insights. In this we are covered two major geographical insights, that is visualizing light listing distribution and exploring geographical concentration. Starting with the visualization listing distribution, utilize a Tableau to create an interactive map visualization displaying the distribution of listing. Identify popular neighborhood based on a listing density, with the darker colors representing higher concentrations. Enable quick identification of areas with high demand for accommodation, aiding in strategic decision making for marketing and resource allocations. Second point we'll cover, that is exploring geographical concentration. In this we will cover 4 points. Starting with the first point, analyze the spectral relationship between listing and host allocation using Tableau. Overlay listing and host location on the same map to compare distribution. Apply filter based on host characteristic to uncover insights into host distribution patterns. Identified areas with a high listing concentration but lower host presence, suggesting opportunities for new hosts to enter the market and meet demand. This is the Tableau image of geographical insight visualization. You can check it out in the Tableau file. This is the screenshot. You can see over this is the host neighborhood with the color palette given to each neighborhood, and this is the color palette showing in the map. You can check it out. Second project objective is the pricing and availability analysis. In this we will cover 2 points, that is analyzing pricing trends and investigating availability patterns. Starting with the analyzing pricing trends. In this we will cover 3 points. Starting with first point, utilized Tableau to analyze pricing trends based on property types, room types, and accommodation capacity. Identify fluctuation in pricing over time and across different properties and room types. Insights into pricing dynamics can inform pricing strategies and competitive positioning within the market. Second point is the investigating availability patterns. In this we'll cover 3 points. Explore the availability of listing over time to identify peak periods and trends. Analyze factors influencing availability such as seasonality, events, or booking patterns. Insights into availability patterns can aid in inventory management, optimizing pricing strategies, and enhancing customer experience. Here are the screenshots of visualization from Tableau of pricing and availability analysis. You can check it out here. Cost of accommodations, property type, room type, and price. Graph 5, we have identified each of them. This is the color pattern. You can identify over here in which what the price is going on, what property type. Here is the availability status. This is availability 365 and availability 30. You can filter out with the among of availability options in the Tableau. Here is the color palette. You can check it out. Third project objective, host performance. In this we will cover 2 points, evaluating host characteristics and exploring correlation with the listing performance. Starting with the evaluating host characteristics. utilize Tableau to evaluate host characteristics such as superhost status, response times, and verification methods. Identify the distribution of hosts based on these characteristics and their impact on listing performance. Insight into host characteristics provide very valuable information for understanding host behavior and preferences, enabling target intervention and support. Exploring correlation with the listing performance. Explore correlation between host attribute, example superhost status, response times, and verification method and listing performance metrics. Identify relationship between host characteristics and metrics such as booking rates, reviews, and occupancy rates. Insight into this correlation can inform strategies for improving listing performance and enhancing guest satisfaction. You can check it out here. Visualization Tableau images of host performance. This is the host performance this side, and the day of host since this is the year. We can identify on which year what the host performance is there, on how much rating and how much response time has been given to them. This is the color palette. You can check it out here. This is a line graph. In the second image you can check it out here. This is the year, host verification method, in which manner the verification has been done. Here is the host response time, in how much time the response has been given, and this is the color palette over here for the year identification. Next project objective is the review score and guest satisfaction. In here we will cover 2 points. First one is the examination of review scores and listing performance, and second is the identification of improvement area based on review categories. Starting with the first point, utilize Tableau to examine review score and their impact on overall listing performance. Analyze correlation between review scores and key performance metrics such as booking rates, occupancy rates, and revenue. Identify trends and patterns in review score to understand their influence on the success of listing with the hotel aggregator platform. Second point will start, explore specific review categories such as cleanliness, communication, location, and amenities. Analyze the review scores within each category to identify areas for improvements. Identify trends, common themes in guest feedback to prioritize improvements and enhance guest satisfaction. So this is the Tableau image for the review score and the guest satisfaction. This will showcase as a bar graph. You can easily monitor. So this is the review score and guest satisfaction visualization Tableau images. So over here you can find out here is a count of review scores value, and here in downside you can showcase here I showcase review scores value. This is the bar graph visualization I have provided. You can check it out. The second image is the number of reviews and review score values. Fifth project objective is property type and room analysis. In this we will cover 2 points: distribution analysis of property type and room type, and exploration of trends in accommodation setup popularity. Starting with the first point, utilizing Tableau to analyze the distribution of property type and room type with the hotel aggregator platform. Examining the frequency of different property types, example apartments, houses, and condos, and room type that are the entire home, private room, and shared room across the platform. Identify popular property and room type based on their frequency of occurrence, providing insights into the diversity of accommodation available. Second point will start, exploration of trends in accommodation setup popularity. Explore trends in the popularity of specific accommodation setup over time. Analyze changes in the demand for different property and room time based on the factors such as seasonality, market trends, and user preferences. Identify emerging trends and shifts in the accommodation preferences to inform strategic decisions and marketing efforts. This is the visualization Tableau image. In this you can see that the entire home, apartment, and entire rental unit has the major occupant rate, and for the smaller you can check it out. There is private room in rental unit, entire home, apartment, entire condo, entire this. So majorly the entire home apartment has been the higher count room type. You can check it out here for each one. You can find it even in the Tableau file I will share with this. Yeah, so this is the PPT on the hotel Aggregator analysis. I hope you will find it good. Thank you.